Instruction na nakita ang mga problema, utroon, kaya para malikod na po siya. Like in our life as well, make sure that you're living a life full of integrity. Huwag malikod ka sa mga papangalagad sa Ginoo. Ayaw pasandi na ang yawa, adaan kang gamay bakat na may mag-ilad ka nimo, na mawala gaynoon ka sa pasig. We need to live a life full of integrity so that kung mag-invite tao padulong sa gingarihan sa Ginoo, wala sila may kasaway sa ato. Amen? And lastly, spiritual headship. Now finally, men are called to be spiritual leaders within their families, guiding them in the ways of the Lord. Now this involves taking responsibility for the spiritual well-being of their household. Get spiritual headship. You need to be the head, especially in the spirituality of your family. Men, mga young men, be the spiritual head of your family. Ayaw pagpaulahin. Hindi dapat ikaw ang buyuro nun, dapat ikaw ang mabuyot. Every time na kayo mga activities